Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a party frog. That's right, we're going to draw a cute party frog. This frog will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing 2 semicircles for the frog's eyes. Next, I will draw in the rest of the frog's face by drawing a line between the eyes, followed by 2 curved lines on the sides. Next, we will draw in the frog's eyes. I will draw in 2 black dots for the eyes and then big curved line for the mouth. You can also add in eyebrows to help the frog to better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Below the face, I will draw in the rest of the frog's body. Let's draw in a circle for its belly and then draw in its hind legs next. Let's draw in the frog's arms next. Isn't it so cute already? Next, I'm going to draw in some balloons. After all, a party frog would not be complete if he didn't come to the party with some balloons. How many balloons should we draw? I know! Let's draw the number of balloons that matches your age. For example, if you are 5, then draw 5 balloons. Or if you are 100, then draw 100 balloons. Doesn't that sound fun? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color in the party frog. I like to gather all the colors I plan on using first. This gives me a better idea of the color combos that I will use for my drawing. I'm going to start with my pink marker to color in one of the balloons and then also add some pink for the blush on its cheek. Next, I'm going to use my green marker to color the rest of the frog's body. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Next, I'm going in the rest of the balloons with various different colors. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your party frog. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your frog's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little party frog. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or some presents. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of party frogs in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the party frog. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.